Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is second part of checkpoint lower secondary paper 1. In the first first part we did question 1 to 15. In this video we will do the remaining questions, right? So here we have number 16, construct an angle of 30 degrees. The construction has been started for you. So if you see this one, we have two arcs here and the line is here. So to make angle of 30, so if I see here, if you see this one, this side is 7 centimeter, and if we join this line here, let me join this line here, this is this arc. If I join this also, this is going to become equilateral triangle. So that means this angle is 60 degrees. So then we will make half of that to make it 30. So let me just first draw the arc here. That is going to be, this is angle of 60. So now you put one needle on this one intersecting point and another one on the other side. So we are making arc from this point and this point, then we are going to join this in the middle. So that is going to give us, that is going to give us angle 30 degrees. So this is angle 30 degree. Okay, so this is 2 marks question and it's very simple. Question number 17, a function is defined by this machine. This is the machine here, input times 2, then cube, then the output. Complete the table. So now our input is 5. So 5 times 2, which is 10, right? And then cube of 10 is 1000. That is 10 times 10 times 10, right? Now this one is the second one. Input is 3 over 2 times 2. When you do this, 2 and 2 get cancelled. We have 3 here, 3 power 3. 3 power 3 is 3 times 3 times 3, which is 27. So we will put 27 over here. Calculate the input when the output is 64. Now we are given output is negative 64. We are going reverse. So it was cubed. So we will find out the cube root. Cube root of 64. Cube root of 64 is negative 4. Then this is times 2. So we will make it divide by 2. So it's negative 2. So final answer is negative 2. You can even check negative 2 times negative 2. Negative 2 times 2 is 4. 4 cubed is then 64. Right. Now number 18. Pere spins this fair spinner twice. He adds together his two numbers to get a total. Pere makes two statements. So let me write down here 1, 2 and 3. So here also 1, 2 and 3, because he is throwing, he is spinning it twice. So and then he adds. If we get 1 and 1, it will become the total. He said he adds together the two numbers to get a total. So 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 plus 2 is 3, 1 plus 3 is 4. Similarly 2 plus 1 is 3, 2 and 2 4, 2 and 3 is 5, 3 and 1 4. So here is the total outcome, that is the sample space. We got like 3 times 3, 6 outcomes here. Now the question is, Pere makes two statements. Tick to show each statement is true or false. So the first one is the possible total are 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we have 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this is a true statement. Probability of total 3 is 1 over 3. Probability of getting 3. 3 is coming twice here. Out of how many? Out of they are 9. So it's 1 over 3, which is not true. So this is false. Number 19, we have two simultaneous equations here. Solve this. So to solve this, we have to make one of the coefficient same. So let me make this y coefficient same, because this is negative and this is positive. So when you multiply here by 3, it becomes 6x minus 3y equals to 51. So multiply 3 throughout the equation and this will remain as it is, plus 3y equals to minus 2. So when you add this, so 6 plus 1 it is 7x, and this is cancelled. This is 49. So x is 49 divided by 7, that is 7. So value of x we got as 7. So x is 7. So now we can take one of these equations, like from 1 we have x plus 3y equals to minus 2. So x is 7 plus 3y equals to minus 2. Then 3y is minus 2 minus 7, which is negative 9. 3y, sorry, this is plus, divide by 3, divide by 3. So y is equal to negative 3. So value of y is negative 3. Okay, so that's how we will solve the simultaneous equation, and this is very important topic. You guys should learn it and do some more questions. So this is 3 marks question here. Question number 20. Draw the graph of y equals to x square plus 2 for values of x between negative 3 and 3. So we are just going to put the values and get the possible answer for that. Negative 3, when x is negative 3, so this is going to be negative 3 squared plus 2. 3 times 3, 9, 9 plus 2 it is 11. So for 2 it's 2 times 2, 4, 4 plus 2 it is 6. So for negative 1, so put negative 1 squared plus 2. This is 1 plus 2, it is 3, right? So when x is 0, y is going to be 2. When x is 1, 1 square plus 2, it is 3. 2 square plus 2, it's 6. 4 plus 2, 6. And this comes out to be 11, right? So these are the values that we get. Like you may use this table too for the help, meaning we are going to plot these points on the graph to get the graph. So x negative 3 and 11. X negative, this is the x axis and this one is y axis. So x is negative 3 and y 11. X negative 3, y 11. Put cross there. We are done with this one. Negative 2 and 6. X negative 2, y 6 is this line here. Negative 1 and 3. Negative 1 and 3. Then 0 and 2 is done. 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Then 2 and 6. 2 and 6. And 3 and 11. So now for these graphs you need to draw it a free hand curve for this one. Don't use ruler here, so make a free hand curve like this. Please use pencil so that whenever you make any mistake you can easily rub and redo this one. Okay, so that's it for this. You see, this is 3 marks question, completing the table plus then drawing the graph. Now number 21. Okay, so quadrilateral has an area of 5 centimeter. The quadrilateral is enlarged by scale factor of 4. Calculate the area of enlarged quadrilateral. Now we have the scale factor. Scale factor is 4. Scale factor is side of one quadrilateral and side of other coordinate. The ratio of that gives us k. So side 1 over side 2, this is equals to k, and we have the area. Now area is a1 over a2. This will be equal to k squared, scale factor squared. So k is 4 squared. Area 1 is 5, and we are looking for area of the other one. Okay, wait, area 1 and area 2. So scale factor is here 4 square. So area 2 over area 1. I need to write down here area 2 over area 1. So area 2 we are looking for it. Let me rewrite. Area 2 we don't know, and area 1 we have 5, right? So that's given to us. So now from here area 2 is going to be 4 square times 5. So this is 16 times 5, that is 80 centimeter squares, right? Now number 22, there are 20 children in class A and 20 children in class B. Each child completes A test. A back-to-back stem and leaf diagram shows some of the marks scored by children. The highest marks for class B is not included. One mark is missing here. This is class A, class B. I hope you all know how to read this. This means 41 if it's on the left hand side, and this means 10. This is 41, this is 10. It's written for class A and class B. Now the range of marks for class A is same as range of marks of class B. So range of class A is equal to range of class B. Now what is range? Range is maximum value minus minimum value, right? So maximum value here in this one for the A is maximum value here is 56. So this is 56 minus minimum value here it is 17. So this is 42. And this is equal to range of B. So we are missing this number here. Let's say I will put this highest number here dash minus the lowest one is 8. So something minus 8. So it should be 42 plus 8, that is 50. So 50 minus 8 will give you 42. So that means there should be a 0 here in this, the highest value, right? So that's first part. Now the second part, tick to show if each statement is true or false. A total of 5 students in 2 classes scored less than 15 marks. So let's count less than 15 marks. So in this one here, this is 8 marks, 9, 10, 13, this is 16. So 4 here, 4 students here, and here is only 1. This is 16 more than 15. So in total they are 5. So this statement is true, right? Now the model class for A is greater than the model marks for class B. So the model marks, okay, model marks of class A and B. So model marks is like the maximum that score, the middle value we are going to take the model class. So let's see how much is that one. So for this is we are going to strike off these ones here like this. So we are left with this. This is 24 plus 24. So divide by 2 will be 24. Similarly here we will start from the lowest value and the highest one here, then this one goes here, yeah, 47, this like this. You're just going to strike off these ones. So we are left here with the 30. So now you see in class A this is 30 and this is 24, which is more than that. So this is also a true statement, right? Now let's see the next question, number 23. The diagram shows some information about 2 rectangles. We have rectangle A here, we have rectangle B here. So the length of rectangle B is 2.5 centimeters less than length of rectangle A, right? So calculate the ratio of length to width for rectangle B. So we are given length ratio width here for rectangle A. Length ratio width is 5:2, right? And the perimeter is 56. So if length is 5x, then width is 2x. So this is 5x plus 2x times 2, that is the formula of the perimeter, 2 into L plus W. This is equal to 56. So 5 plus 2 is 7, x equals to 56. Divide by 2, divide by 2. This is gone. This is 28. Divide by 7, divide by 7. So this is 4. So x we got 4. X4 meaning the length. So length of rectangle A is 5 times 4, which is 20, and the width of this A is 2 times 4, which is 8, right? Now for the rectangle B, so now for the rectangle B, we have perimeter is given to us 56 centimeters. So perimeter is 2 length plus width, right? So 2 length is, now we are given the condition, length is 2.5 centimeter less than length of this. So this length is 20 and the length of this one will be 20 minus 2.5, which is 17.5. So this is 17.5 length plus, let's say, width. This is equal to 56. So 17.5 plus W divided by 2, 56 divided by 2 is 28. So width is going to be 28 minus 17.5. So which is 10.5. So this is the width, right? So but we are looking for the ratio of these, length over width. Let me write it down like this. So length is 17.5 over 10.5. So decimal get cancelled. So divide it by 5. 5 times 3, 5 times 5, 21. Now it's by 7. 7 times 5, 7 times 3. So we have 5:3 we got as a final answer, right? So this is bit tricky question, but go step by step, you will be able to figure it out, right? Now number 24, the term to term rule of the sequence is multiply by 4. The first term of the sequence is A. So T1 is A. I have written this one. The sum of first term and the third term is 35. So T1 plus T3 is 35. So the term to term rule is multiply by 2. So T2 is going to be 2 times A is 2A, and T3 is going to be times 2, this is 4A. Now second condition, we have T1 plus T3, adding this, A plus 4A is 35, 5A is 35, A is 7. So value of A is 7, right? The sum of the first, this we are done with this. Work out the sum of the first two terms. So T1 plus T2, T1 is A is 7, and T2 is going to 2 times 7, it is 14. So it is 21. So final answer is 21, right? This is easy. Now number 25, this is also a tricky question. 0.45 10 power p equals to 4500, and this one, find the value of 0.038 10 power p plus 10 power 2q. So we need to have the value of this first of all. So I will divide it into two parts here. So from here, the first one, 10 power p is going to be 4500 over 0.45, right? Remember, this is not a calculator paper, so you need to be careful while doing this, the calculations. So this one here, 4500 times 100 to remove the decimal over 45. So this is 100 again. So this is 100 power 100 times 100, it is 10 power 4. This is 10 power, we have here p. So if you equate this, you will get p as value 4. So p is 4. Now from here, the second one, we have 10 power q, right? 10 power q is equal to 0.0507 divided by 5070. Okay, so this is 507, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 times 5070. Okay, just to remove the decimal. So this is 1 here, this is going to be 10. So 10 power q is equal to 1 over 10 power 1 2 3 4 and 5. So 10 power q is equal to 10 raised to power minus 5, right? So equating this, we got q as negative 5. So value of q is negative 5, right? So now we can find out the value of this. Now we have 0.038 divided by 10 power p. P is 4, plus 2 times q. 2 times q, it's negative 5. So 0.038 divided by 10 power, this is 5 times 2, 10, and negative 10 plus 4, it's negative 6. Okay, so when you bring it down, when you bring this down, 0.038 yeah, let me write it down, 1 over 10 power 6, like this. So when you change this division to multiply, this will come up 10 power 6. So this is the final answer. We are not told like to write in standard form or anything, so we'll just write whatever we get as a answer. Okay, so be careful in this question, this is also tricky one, so go step by step and carefully. Now number 26, a polygon has 7 sides. Polygon has 7 sides. The mean of size of 6 smallest angle of the polygon is 115. So first of all, so mean of 6 angles, I will just write down that it is 115 degree, right? So sum, as you know that sum is 6 times x divided by that x, so times 6, that will be the sum of all the interior sum of 6 angles, right? Sum of 6 angles, 15 times 6, 90, this is 690. So this is sum of 6 sides, 6 angles, sum of 6 angles. Number 1, this one, and polygon has 7 sides, so mean we got 1. This calculate the size of the largest angle. So now we know that the sum of interior angles of polygon, we have formula n minus 2 times 180. So n is 7 minus 2 times 180. So this is 5 times 180, which is 900. So this is sum of 7 angles, right? Sum of 7 angles. So we are looking for the size of the largest angle. So the angle that is left will be the largest angle, that is 900 minus 690. We will subtract this, 210 degrees, right? So this is also bit like logical question. Now number 27, which is the last question of this paper. I hope you guys are getting everything. I will wait for your feedback in the comment section, and please subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. I hope you guys are getting benefit of these videos. X to this equation has an integer, p is a positive integer, find the value of p. So we are given 4x equals to 12 minus px. Actually we are looking for the value of p. So shift this to this side, px plus 4x equals to 12. So px is equal to 12 minus 4x, shifting 4 to other side. Then we have p equals to 12 minus 4x over x. Now we are given that p is a positive integer. If p is positive, that means p is greater than 0. If p is greater than 0, that means 12 minus 4x over x is greater than 0, right? So when this is greater than 0, we are going to cross multiply this. This is 12 minus 4x is greater than 0 times x, which is also 0. So this gives us 12 is greater than 4x, divide by 4, divide by 4. So here we got 3 is greater than x, or we can say x is less than 3. So these are the possible values of 3, less than 3. So that means it's 2 and 1, right? So that will be the final answer. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you guys. Kindly subscribe and share it with your friends, and if you like the video, please press the like button. God bless you guys.